It got pretty damp last night from the dew. Had to dry off the tent, and our seat pads are over there drying. Beautiful morning. Yeah, it's 7:20. It's 46 degrees, 91% humidity, and very, very light wind, if any. No bugs. No mosquitoes. There's a little tiny gnat here and there, but no mosquitoes. It's nice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
There it is.
It is like 8:20, and
I forgot I was going to check the temperature on my phone app, but I forgot, so I'll put it on the screen right there.
we have kind of lollygagged around this morning, which was the goal. We only have like an hour and a half drive, and most of the hike back to the car is downhill, and it was, what, 6 miles?
6 miles, yep. Pretty
6
much.
miles, but
Gaia was accurate on that.
Yeah, but it was not accurate on the elevation.
I mean, the first day we did 9 miles, I think, because we hiked all through the entire Jefferson. Well, most of Jefferson Park. We did the other part yesterday. You saw it was 2 miles yesterday.
It was only 10 miles.
No, it was there. It was 9.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Anyways, so we have like 6 miles of mostly downhill. So that would take us
3.5 hours, 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah.
I think 3 hours.
So I figure we leave at 11.
Yeah.
And 2:30, and then that would put us back at home at 4. I mean, that's fine. That's one of the hottest parts of the day. Great time to get back to Salem.
But yeah, so we're gonna sit here and
What are we, 60% through?
enjoy our book a little bit longer.
How far are we in it?
64%.
64% done with the Doctor Who book. It's pretty good. It's a David Tennant, Doctor Number 10.
It says we have like 2 hours left or something like that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I've already got my bag mostly packed up.
No neighbors. This is nice.
This camp spot was one of our favorites last time, and I think it is my solid favorite this time.
Sure.
So it might be one of my favorite camping spots we've ever had.
Just look at the views. I mean,
there's not enough room for like a lot of other tents.
the sun is coming up in the morning, first half of the day on the tent, and we thought that's kind of. But then in the afternoon, it's all in the shade, so it's not bad.
Yeah, after like 4 o'clock, it's all in the shade. It's all in the sun pretty much all day long, though, otherwise. But
Well, see you down the trail. It's not working.
I love this spot. It's so pretty with the green and the rocks and the mountain behind it. And the water being all green from the reflection.
All packed up. Well, we're off.
It's about 10:15, 64 degrees, and about 60% humidity. And we're about to head out
Beautiful day again.
and say bye-bye to one of my most favorite campsites. And hopefully we'll get to the car in about 2 hours.
My advice is get here Thursday or sooner in the week. We got here Friday and it was already crowded.
Yeah.
We're lucky we got this site when this person left because we talked to them.
Either that or get here early. Like early Friday.
Yeah.
So.
All right, let's go on home. We are southbound on the PCT now for a while until we get back to Woodpecker Ridge Trail. We are Sobo on the PCT. Wonder if we'll see anybody. We saw 2 people on the way up coming the same direction as us. Yeah, it's a good chance we'll see somebody. Bridge, bridge, bridge.
Bridge, bridge, bridge.
Thank you. Looks like a water crossing. Yeah, that's like straight down. Commenting how clear the air is. You can see so much detail out there. And it's late July, so it's good so far. Normally that's just smoke. Beside Mount Jefferson, coming down this ridge line.
These are the blackberries that are native to Oregon, not the big bushy ones you see in town that can take over a house. All right, this is Woodpecker. We are about to get off the PCT and head towards our car. How do you feel, Justin?
Wow, still great visibility. Go look forward.
That's our view. And this path looks a little less sketchy than what we've been walking on. I can finally not look at my feet every single step. And the view is gorgeous, so that's nice.
Still expose your soon. Maybe even take a quick pack up. We've got
The view behind us.
to go.
Stop. The view behind us not bad either.
Yeah.
If I can get it in the camera. There we go. All right. Let's hike on.
We're back in some shade now. It's pretty nice. At least until we get to that other burn section that goes down to the car. We got about 1.5 miles to go. We didn't actually stop for a break. We just had a little snack as we go. We did pass some trail maintenance on the PCT, taking out blowdowns, which was super nice of them. Just passed a PCT hiker going northbound, named Face ID. Sounded like he's from Australia. I'm not sure.
It's supposed to be downhill, not uphill.
coming out on top of this ridge. The car is down there somewhere. There it is. Well, it looks like Claire's gonna beat me. Let's see how much my pack weighs. Definitely feels lighter.
And you said it was 84 degrees?
Yeah. 35% humidity or something like that.
And it is just a few minutes before 3 o'clock. So we made pretty good time.
Really good time.
$23.57.
Okay. Here.
$23.77.